In Japan, there is a formal therapeutic practice called Shin-rin Yoku. Shin-rin Yoku, or forest bathing, is a type of nature therapy. Nature therapies are practices that expose the individual to natural stimuli of nature with the aim of preventing health issues. Shin-rin Yoku consists of walking inside forested environments and using mindfulness to experience the forest using the 5 senses. An interesting literature review, which evaluated 64 academic studies of Shin-rin Yoku and other nature therapies, summarized a great variety of health benefits of forest bathing. Many of these studies showed that immersing ourselves in a forest walk can improve anxiety, depression, and sleep disorders, reducing cortisol levels and heart rate, and stimulating the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the part of the nervous system that promotes relaxation. Research shows that forest bathing can significantly improve our immune system by increasing human natural killer cell activity. Such improved levels last until 7 days after the forest bathing activity. The improved immune function may be related to the essential oils trees naturally expel into the air, called phytoncides. A guide to forest bathing. Immerse yourself into a forest. Turn off all of your media equipment. Breathe rhythmically, using your diaphragm. Breathe slowly and deeply. Stimulate your 5 senses. Walk slowly and pay attention to the sounds. The sounds of water, the sounds of birds, the sound of the wind. Then appreciate the green scenery of the trees. Let the green energy give you harmony, and let the blue color of the sky provide you with calmness and peace. Then stop and touch the soil and feel its texture against your hands. Touch a bark, a leaf, a flower. Feel the differences in texture and how they affect you. Then move on to the smell of the earth, the rich, musky, and fresh scent of the soil. Inhale the scent of our Mother Earth, a gentle, natural, pleasant scent that can revive our intrinsic connection to her. And then, if you're lucky enough to find some wild berries or any other tasty edible, connect your sense of taste with nature and let this edible fill your body with nature's energy. It will be full of electrons that will energize you. Then move on to appreciating the 5 elements in nature. Connect to the element water, the soluble, charged, and healing element that makes up most of our body mass. Connect your inner water with the outer water. Feel the connection. You are one being. Now feel the wind on your face, on your hands. Listen to the windy leaves telling us a story. Like an old grandmother gently chanting the healing mantras of the environment. Let the wind take all of your sorrows. Then feel the fire energy of the sun vibrating your soul, healing your shadows, giving warmth to your heart. And then feel the grounding energy of the element earth with all of the microscopic life inside of it, vibrating light and consciousness. Feel the beat of the heart of the earth. Feel it. It is inside of you as well. You are her daughter or son. You came from her. Now, with all the four elements energy consciously present within you, feel the energy of the forest. Feel the invisible force permeating you and the forest all together. You are now connected to the fifth element, the ether. We all share it. We are all one.